Pursuant to Lordship's order dated 1310. And valid affidavit shown by the Secretary of Odisha and the Chancellor on behalf of the Chancellor regarding the vacancy in elementary and secondary education.
I have also filed an additional affidavit enclosing 2 of the documents.
And one thing more, my lord, regarding vacancy.
Make use of mic.
Yes.
Let people hear. These are matters where public at large is interested.
Yes, sir.
Though it is individual in nature, people should know how government works, how officers work, how judges work, how government lawyers work, private lawyers also. Okay. So make use of the mic.
So far it relates to filling of vacancy in university. Another PIL has been filed and a notice has been issued.
No problem. It's for filing also.
That I have brought.
May I submit?
1 second. He wants to say something.
Only that I want to brought to your kind notice that
Whether PIL was filed earlier or my order was made earlier.
PIL filed earlier one.
Order of the PIL was made when? Which date?
22nd September 2025.
Okay, when I made the order.
1310.
13th. Okay. So mine is subsequent. PIL is also for
only for universities.
University.
But here you are titled elementary, secondary,
correct.
Higher secondary,
Correct.
and higher education.
College.
In
1 second. Mr. Lenka,
yes, sir.
we'll keep that the PIL aspect aside now because matter is being looked into by Honorable the Chief Justice. I don't want to.
But we have
given that also.
Information.
That's good.
The vacancy position.
How many posts are vacant?
Yes. Your Lordship may kindly. We have.
Now come to Directorate of Elementary Education.
Yes, sir.
How many posts are sanctioned? How many are filled?
Your Lordship may kindly see page 2, paragraph 2.
Page 2, para 2.
Sanction strength. Elementary teacher. Your Lordship got that.
Yes, 1,35,656
Yes.
is the sanctioned strength.
Yes.
Of them, 1,18,683 is working now.
Then vacant post is
53,561 vacancies.
Yes.
Why they are not filled?
That
Yes.
we have.
One by one we'll go.
Yes.
This is a Director of Elementary Education.
Yes.
Just my notes I will make.
Yes.
Mr. Lenka has filed the affidavit. Here's the affidavit.
I have filed in.
You also filed.
Filed in additional affidavit.
So you disputed his version?
Yes. That version, their document I have filed. One more, only before my lord technically change the rule.
Read.
Section 26 of that right to free and compulsory education.
Okay.
Central Act. Filling of the vacancies of the teachers.
Yes.
The appointing authority.
They should make all arrangements for making the.
No. There is a point. Just I'm reading out my lord. 2 lines. The appointing authority in relation to a school established, owned, controlled, or substantially financed by funds provided directly or indirectly by the appropriate government or by a local authority shall ensure that vacancy of teachers in a school under its control shall not exceed 10% of the total sanctioned strength. This is important. Vacancy cannot go beyond exceed 10%. If you accept.
No, I'm asking, why vacancy should be there?
Yes, my lord. Yeah, at least if the statute says there, the statute says it cannot go beyond 40%. No, sorry, 10%. Now, if my lord noting,
Understood.
My lord, that's
I have fully understood.
My lord.
There is nothing new which you are saying.
that.
Yeah.
Then you Lordship may kindly. I have taken them.
1 second.
Mr.
Mr. Lenka has filed an affidavit sworn to by the Chief Secretary.
Yes.
Chief Secretary, Government of Odisha, Bhubaneswar.
And another
1 second.
sentence.
At the para 2,
Yes.
there is a table which gives full particulars of employment of elementary teachers. Elementary education. Teachers in elementary education.
Yes, sir.
All categories. First of all. The sanctioned strength of teachers in the state is 1,35,656 per staff. Of them, 1,18,683 teachers have been appointed per staff. The vacancy position as on this day is 53,561 per staff. Which section, Dash, you mentioned?
26.
Section 26 of RTE Act prescribes that the vacancy position shall not exceed 10% of the sanctioned strength. Then go to next paragraph.
Yes. Paragraph 3.
This is
Regarding higher secondary education. Then next page, page 3. There are 3 categories. One, government
higher secondary.
attended school, then non-government aided, then block grant. So government higher secondary sanctioned 1,734.
No. There 1734 is sanctioned. 291 is filled. 1443
Vacant.
vacancy. 54 vacancy. 242. The total vacancy position is 1,739.
50%. Almost.
Huh?
Almost 50%.
40% plus. Right?
No, 50%.
50% plus.
3,500, 1,700, almost.
Yes. Then
Then you actually can do.
government high schools.
Yes.
5,565.
Yes.
That also again much more than 10%.
Yes.
Then no 10%
10%
is it is the parliament is unhappy. It says we understand you are all incapable people, therefore we will not fill up the vacancies. Even then, you cannot keep the vacancies beyond 10% of the sanction strength. With the no joy in heart, Parliament is saying that. Parliament is not saying you maintain 10% vacancy. It is tolerating the states for not making 10% vacancy. So I have understood now. Now go to para 5.
Yes. For a private or high schools.
And even their vacancy position is 13,260.
Yes.
See in that Sanskrit, in Sanskrit 739 vacancies and 237 are working. This is the way the Sanskrit and the Sanskriti are treated. Dr. Ambedkar said in 1949, September, Sanskrit should be language, national language of this country. At least 2 chief justices of this court, they have mentioned about this. Retired chief justices of India said about this, what Dr. Ambedkar had said. Just see the Google. There, 739 sanction strength, working strength is 237. And Sanskrit is a scheduled language. Go to 8th schedule of the Constitution. And Will Durant writes in History of Civilization, 11-volume work. Will Durant, Ariel Durant, they write in that book, in the 2nd volume, Our Oriental Heritage. They write, Sanskrit is the mother of languages. India is the mother of all countries, all nations. And this is the way you are treating this language. And your Oriya, which is my Oriya also, It has
From the beginning.
abundant Sanskrit words, abundant. Because that is the reason why I understand.
Understood.
If somebody
Yes.
reads I cannot read it. I should learn to read is another thing which I will do. Whenever your bar members read, I fully understand that.
Yes.
To a large extent, I understand. Because it contains Sanskrit words only. So, in new aided high schools, 5,538 vacancy.
Yes. Then fully aided, 1,655, like previous phase matter. And government high school, 5,560.
But you have put the board, this time that board was removed. I don't know why you have removed it. For the first time when I came, there was a board which says government is generating employment opportunities to the people. What generating? All vacancies being kept unfilled. And this time board was not there in the report.
It was put by the previous government. No, now it has been removed. And another scheme, Viksit Bharat scheme,
How Bharat will
because that is scheme.
how that
My lord friend in his affidavit he has mentioned that. Your lordship will.
you tell me how you are going to fill up these vacancies.
We have
When you are filling up the vacancies.
paragraph 13 of my affidavit.
1-3.
Yes.
No exact answer.
Paragraph 13, page 9.
3. Because I am saying, Mr. Lenka, I tell you, lot of unemployment problem is in this state.
Yes.
Huge section is downtrodden, very huge section. SCs and STs. Many youths are unemployed. They don't have anything. Many of the cases that come before me, peon, teacher, headmaster is the highest post which I am treating here. Sweepers, attenders, group 1, group 2, group 3. I'm not speaking of class 1, class 2, class 3. Group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4 also. These are the cases which I have been handling. I'm just keeping an eye on the nature of jobs which people aspire here. Why these vacancies are kept? They become age barred also. Age barring happens.
That is a constant.
Tomorrow you will call for application. All are age barred.
No, we have
Relaxed.
extended 42 years.
42 years.
Not a great.
You make it 50.
The limit now
59.
52.
You make it 50 years.
59.
So that
All will be
to 50 they can apply.
No, we have already done 42.
Oh.
Therefore, I'm telling you,
Ever.
make it 52. Maybe 59 also. What is the age of the
60. So let it 59. That I am suggesting.
Make it 59. That helps them. 1 year they will serve. That is not the object of a welfare state. The object of the welfare state is also to generate employment. Now you can't say that you have not generated. Because you have already created the force. You have sanctioned the force. And you have made some appointments. Other appointments are yet to be made. When are you going to make this appointment? I will really tell you, I am son of this soil also. We are all sons and daughters of Lord Jagannath. We cannot just ritualistically do my judgeship and go away. I will not go that way. I have to repay the debt in this land, which treats me with so much love and affection. I have to do something for the youths, something for the unemployed people. The court is a shareholder. It is a shareholder in all that is happening. We will not decide cases between A versus B. Mr. Swain will argue, Mr. Lenka will argue, all they will go. No, that is not my object. How you are going to fill up these vacancies? How are you going to satisfy our youths? Our youths are without job. Or you abolish all these posts. We don't need so many teachers at all. All they will go for fishing. Children will go for fishing. That's nice actually. Fishing is a great job.
Your Lordship may kindly see paragraph 13.
1-3.
Yes. This affidavit has been shown by Chief Secretary of Odisha. that the process of filling
Up
of
remaining vacancies underway. What is remaining vacancy? Existing vacancies. Existing, not remaining. Means other vacancy, remaining has a different meaning. Anyway.
Underway and expected to be completed successively during 25-26 academic session, subject to recruitment agency timelines and judicial outcome. Because some cases are pending. We have given.
G has mentioned.
Yes.
No issue. We'll come to that also.
And also SLP is pending in Supreme Court also.
Whether SLP said don't appoint anybody?
No.
No.
Then appoint. Subject to outcome of the SLP. Where is how SLP will come in the way?
There are sub judice, my lord.
What sub judice?
Annexer D.
Unless the court holds your hands, you should act.
If your lordship will go, there are some cases where
I can understand.
Annexer, so far Annexer D, if your lordship will go to see, will see that so far the university is concerned, there are Supreme Court cases pending before the Honorable Supreme Court.
No, that is over. That is cases. Kindly sit down.
Well,
Mr. Dash, kindly sit down. You are disturbing the court. Brother Linka.
Yes, sir.
How many cases are pending before the apex court? In how many cases apex court said don't appoint? Show that.
What has not
show one single order, but where the apex court has come in the way of your making a point.
But in our own high court some stay.
Well, leave them. Yes. Wherever there is high court stay,
yes, sir.
You leave them. Wherever there is no stay, where is the statistical data? Kindly see para 13. Such a serious matter, your secretary, chief secretary answers para 13. This is the full answer. That the process of filling up remaining vacancies is underway. Means what? Underway. What is meant by that? Underway means file is moving from one table to another. I want to know. Expected to be completed progressively. See, the word's terminology is wonderful.
Page 21, Your Lordship.
What have you done?
Your Lordship, can see page 21.
And why it was not done all these years?
That's
who are responsible?
We have explained page 21. Last but one para. The Honorable Apex Court.
In so.
Yes. While hearing the matter, as an interim measure, states the operation of the impugn judgment passed by the Honorable High Court of Odisha. That is also pending.
State the operation of the impugn judgment. What is that judgment? That judgment said appoint, Supreme Court stayed. Is it so? What is that case about? Who are the parties? What is the stage of the proceedings? What action you have taken to vacate the stay?
May I please paragraph page 19, para 2, last. From that, Your Lordship will.
Yes,
19.
Mr. Lenka,
yes, sir.
You have to tell me which are those cases, what are the orders made in those cases. We will not touch them. If the apex court says no, we will not touch them. But you have to show that apex court has come in the way of making recruitment, appointment, filling the vacancy. How can apex court be? How apex court will have because section says there are at least 2 judgments of the apex court which says an ideal government should not keep the vacancies unfilled.
7/5/20. They've set it so. The apex court has clarified that. Case 23 may kindly see. Apex court has clarified on 7/5/25 that you go with the recruitment as per the new amendment act. Page 23 of that affidavit.
What 23?
Yes, as per the Honorable Supreme Court while hearing the aforesaid SLP. I will clarify what is SLP, but kindly read now. No. The affidavit Mr. Lenka is showing from that page 23.
Permit the state to proceed with recruitment.
Yes.
It is your affidavit, Mr. Lenka.
Yes.
That time so.
This order was made when?
7/5/25.
How many months have elapsed now? Mr. Lenka, I have to file a better or.
These are only vacancy position Your Lordship wanted.
We wanted to know what are the actions you have taken for all that vacancy. What I should do with the statistical data? I cannot bake them for preparing pani puri. I want this statistical data because our youths are suffering without job. We are not saying make up all appointments of all youths. We are saying whatever vacancies are there. Mr. G, you have to assist here also. Yeah. G and Linka, both you have to assist this matter collectively. See, vacancy position is spoken, now is spoken now.
Yes.
Sanction strength, working strength.
Yes.
It is minus the vacancy position as the vacancy position Mr. Lanka has given.
Well,
Your chief secretary says the para
13.
1-3. Read it again. Let people see. I want all the people to see this. That the process of filling up remaining vacancies is underway means what? Underway means what? It is saying like in the pipeline will be 25 kilometers. That will not make sense. Expect it to be completed progressively during 25-26. Two questions. Why vacancies were not filled up even when the Central Act is operating? Section 26
yes.
of the Act says there shall not be.
Vacancy less than 10%.
Why is that?
there.
Then I will make observation. The center should consider as to why funds should not be allotted to this state. Because parliamentary legislation, you are not respecting the parliament. I will pass an order saying central government should consider whether no fund should be allocated to state of Odisha. Let people revolt. Otherwise, no things will move in this state. Now you have to explain what is meant by progressively, what is meant by underway, what is meant by expected.
My lord, three things are there. But you may call this matter some other day so that.
Which date? You take, I want some plan, action taken plans,
Well,
not just statistics.
Lordship, call this matter.
Many youths have not married when I was coming. Just I was walking around.
I will explain. I will explain.
I asked some youths came and greeted me.
Yes.
They were not that happy with judges anyway. Yes, with a smile they greeted.
My lord.
Now,
A week after, my lord. Any day after week.
yes, choose a date. On that day, Mr. Lanka, G, both they have to assist.
Yes.
So
First week of December sometimes.
Oh, no, not December. December. Roses will be in December, not
26
will be in
এই 26-27 কইবুন
Eh?
26-27
Will not
মোর
be there.
26-27 টা ছাড়ি গল্প 28
Any day, 28.
28 হ্যাঁ 28 তো
28th.
yes
28.
Any problem with 18? Only we want this. What you have done?
হ্যাঁ
Let people know. That I want to tell the people. I may not pass the order also.
No,
I will tell government is working this
call
way.
this matter on 28.
Elections are around.
Yes.
I will tell the people that way.
28, my lord.
Huh?
28, my lord.
28.
Yes.
Why is so much time for giving what you have done based upon the records?
We have
21
to
তারিখ
difference.
21 তারিখ
What is that?
21 তারিখ
21 তারিখ।
হ্যাঁ তার পূর্ব
21st, my lord.
No, I am asking. I will give you, but why so much time?
I am to see.
These are all computer generated.
No, my lord, I am to see that entire records, my lord, so that why they have taken such a turn in the year, so that I can appraise your lordships.
Then I will not pass any order
No,
today.
man, no,
Next date, I will
Next
pass order with a pen dipped in acid.
my lord, yes.
This you should tell your chief secretary. You know, I cannot see courts of export has said we should not call the officer secretaries. I understand that.
No, my lord, lordship, I
But
understand
that is not complete immunity.
My lord,
Otherwise, the constitutional court will fail in its duty. It's our duty.
yes,
All youths wasting their life because of the government's inaction.
only one line I will permitted my lord. My case, the writ petition, what are the prayer, my lord, all these are unemployed eligible. But the posts are now being filled up by these retired teachers. Those are not eligible. So now, my lord,
Great, great.
the retired teachers.
One second. Why retired teachers? They are in the evening of their lives. They are valuable. You can understand.
They are
Where is the
accepted.
provision for appointing retired teachers in your recruitment rules?
No, no.
Number one. Why they should be appointed? They are getting their pension.
Yes.
They are happy in the evening of their lives. What should happen to the youths, young people? Yeah, why all this no brain?
No, only for the interest of this.
No,
Rest of the student, make appointment.
Only for 6 months they have been.
Why you have not appointed?
Because it was.
No, it will not remain 6 months. Thereafter, again,
Will be over it.
court will grant stay against removal. Other court will stay the recruitment process itself.
No,
It generates
on this matter on that day, I shall satisfy your lordship. Why such a?
what I,
no
Yes.
appointments.
what,
No.
yes.
No appointment of
Shall be made to the retired teachers.
no retire.
No guideline.
Retired teachers should be in the evening of their life.
After, my lords, 1 minute, only one more slide. Yes.
You want
No, actually, after one line, I will leave him. Now on 20, I have challenged that order. Now on 23/10/25, again, the Department of Higher Education has issued a guideline. I have given it today's affidavit to recruit retired professors, teachers. Even after my lord's order, that only I want to brought.
no, don't.
That is the problem. They issued a guideline.
But
No, I will not pass order.
21st.
Sir, if you are sure, I will record it. Otherwise, I will direct personal presence of the secretary.
Stopgap arrangement because.
Why should
the
that?
process will take time.
How much?
Automatic.
Where is your plan of action? Timeline. Give me the timeline.
That your lordship is calling on 21st,
21st.
25th, that.
we shall satisfy your lordship.
Yes. The chief secretary of the government of Odisha has sworn to an affidavit which is filed by learned AGA Mr. Lenka, giving substantial particulars expected under this court's order dated 13/10/2025. First off, when the vacancy position in all the sectors exceeds nearly 40-50%, and in some cases 75%, 70%, this court does not find any plausible explanation for maintaining the same as it is. First up, like adding insult to the injury, the youths are not being appointed, but those who have retired from service and who have been in the evening of their life are sought to be engaged as teachers. First up, the educational institutions cannot run with the spent forces, more particularly when no provision of law is indicated to this court, which authorizes re-engagement of retired teachers to the positions, without taking any initiative for filling the vacancies that are in thousands. Total vacancy will be how much?
We have given abstract.
Total vacancy.
So, yes.
Just compute it.
Yes, yes.
Eligible and qualified youths are crying.
Paragraph, page 8. I have not made total, but abstract has been given. Paragraph.
That the employment opportunities are not being made available to them, though huge vacancies exist.
Around at 70,000, 77,000.
70,000. Huh?
53, 13,000, 53, 1984 and 4367. Except
Computer.
73,
page 8 I counter I have given to you.
69, probably.
The total vacancy position is above 73,000. This is a huge vacancy position.
Minus university.
This is
And higher.
excluding the vacancies that obtain in the universities. How many universities in the state?
13.
15.
13 universities. Huh?
15 universities.
15 universities. Are you sure?
Yes. 17. Actually, those two universities are
Deemed university.
state in.
No, not deemed university.
Not deemed. 15 state universities.
How many universities, Mr. G?
Now 17.
17.
17 universities. universities.
And for that, on behalf
What
of
is the vacancy
Chancellor,
position in the
yes,
universities?
yes, sir. The university paragraph, your lordship will see,
Wherein vacancy position
Yes,
in
sir.
all
page 6, right?
cadres.
Page
is
6, paragraph 6, page 6.
How many? Totally how many?
Total is, I have not made totals. Seventh,
Who did it? Who is answering?
Around to 4,000. Paragraph, page 6.
5,000 এইটা তো around 5,000 760
About
800
not less than 5,000.
about approximately 5,000
Nearly 5,000. Wherein vacancy is nearly 5,000. Mr. Lenka and Mr. G submit that they would come out with full facts, figures, and figures, and also the concrete plan of action for filling these vacancies. First off, Mr. Lenka points out that in respect of vacancies obtaining in the universities, PIL is pending
Yes.
for the first quarter.
PL number is
Yeah, in WP
WPC,
number?
WPC 22591 by 2025. Praveen Kumar Das was
of 2025. Be that as it may, since the object of PIL is also to ensure recruitment. Okay.
And one thing your lordship can take, on behalf of Chancellor, opposite party 9, the affidavit has also filed.
Chancellor also has filed.
Yes. And the same,
Chancellor is a university, governor is the chancellor.
Yes,
yes.
What is the affidavit?
same, what we have stated in Chief Secretary's affidavit, he has also
Stated.
Same.
Perhaps
Same,
you have given the information and affidavit is shown to be the, so generally principal secretary to
Yes.
government, somebody will find.
Because your lordship implemented Chancellor also.
Chancellor is going to answer. Chancellor is not exempted from
Answering.
there is no immunity to the
And-
chancellor.
and-
Immunity is to the governor.
And your lordship will find the honorable governor had held a meeting on 3rd 11 after your lordship's order, along with all the vice chancellors.
Healthy.
That we have-
Very really appreciable.
And that we have also mentioned in Chancellor's affidavit.
Where is that? That page?
Yes, ma'am. I'm telling you.
9, para 9.
Yes.
Mr. Renka, drawing attention of the court to paragraph 9 of the affidavit filed by, sworn to by Commissioner cum Secretary to Chancellor, submits that
Higher education.
the governor himself being the chancellor of all the universities under the state, in the state, all the universities,
Yes.
State universities.
all the state universities in the
Not
state,
private.
come on. A meeting has been held on 3/11/2025 in the shadow of, under the shadow of the order dated 13/10/2025 made by
Yes, yes.
this court. And the steps are being taken on a war footing to fill up the vacancies in the said universities. This is really appreciable. First off, however, why all these months, if not years, these vacancies have been kept unfilled remains a mystery wrapped in enigma. First of all, much is not necessary to say. Okay. Next date, Mr. G, to come out with the plan of action. This is a fraud on the youths of the state. Fraud on the youths.
Sir, your lordship's order passed.
Yeah, I have passed.
And,
Yeah.
I have pursued the matter time and
Yeah,
again.
that I
And
appreciate.
state has taken cognizance seriously.
The effective steps taken by learned counsel, learned EGA, Mr. Lenka, and Mr. Learned GAG in the matter of seminal importance is appreciated, deeply appreciated. Okay. But next time, Mr. Lenka, Mr. G, something should happen. Immunity is to the governor, not to the chancellor. I am repeating, this is what the apex court has said, that famous judgment. I forgot that the Bihar state, which is that judgment. Immunity is to the governor, not to the chancellor. Because we work under the constitution. There is no complete immunity at all. Therefore, it should be brought to the notice of Honorable the Chancellor of the universities that this is the legal position, which is the 2002 Supreme Court, which is that 2003? Huh? No. There's another judgment.
Kuntes Gupta.
Huh? This is where they have decided the powers of the governor, no? And structure that judgment. Call on 21st.
This Dr. Kuntes Gupta versus Management of Hindu
No,
Kanya.
No.
There is the power. Just
that.
If the Honorable Court permits, my lords, we have filed an interlocutory application for intervention. It hasn't been tagged up with the main writ application.
Let us, you be here, you also assist. Let us
My lords, I only pray the intervention application may be tagged up at the next time.
register to post all pending IAS next date of hearing.
Great.